Alright guys, so I'm working on my apparent 1997 Chevy tractor, and I keep getting cylinder 2 misfire. I swap these over back and forth, still misfire in cylinder 2. I even changed all spark plugs because this thing, the valves, seals leak oil over time, so I need to be changed anyway. So I did that. Still got misfire in cylinder 2. So I started poking around on fuel injector. Oh, I also did compression test. It's like 180 psi or 60 all across. So I'm still getting the cylinder 2 misfire. So I disconnect the number 2 fuel injector. It actually ran better. It's crazy. So I start poking around, and there's a short in this harness down here somewhere. So I'll show you with my test light if you have this problem with this tractor. See, it was running a lot worse than that with the number 2 injector plug in. So you see, it's working. Oh, see how it's staying on? So you see, it's working now. But when I start poking around, poking around the wire down here. Sorry. Okay. So it's flashing. When I start doing this, see, watch this. Start poking wire. See, it stays on. So I come over here more. See, it stay on. So the injector was stuck open the whole time. That makes sense why it runs better when you disconnect it. It's not flooding itself out. So I did plug this back in and move some wire down, make sure it was working properly. Everything ran smooth. So I'm gonna go down there and start taking some tape off and then fix whatever's broken down there. And hopefully this help you guys out when you have one of these vehicles. Thanks for watching.